Hey there and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Google Meet for your online meeting needs, whether it's for video conferencing, virtual appointments or team events. Google Meet is a simple and reliable tool that integrates perfectly with your Google account. So let's get started. First of all, to access Google Meet, you just have to go to googlemeet.com. Like, just search for Meet. Let me show you, meet.google.com, and here you can see this. So as you can see right now, I'm on my Google Meet interface. In the top right corner, from here you can see this your profile icon, and you can see this option that says get started. Okay, also from here you can see other Google sites from here. So let me show you. You just have to tap on to get started on this option. Now on the top right corner you can tap on to get started again. Now you can either create a new account or also you can start free trial. Okay, so before we begin meeting, let's quickly configure the settings to make sure everything runs smoothly. Okay, so let's tap on to new meeting and let's tap on to create a meeting or later. You can also start an instant meeting or schedule in Google Calendar if you want. So let's tap on to create meeting for later. Now here you can see this link. Here you just have to copy it and share it to people that you want to join the meeting. You can simply search it up. As you can see, this is right here. Okay, so now let's say you want to create an instant meeting. You can just simply tap on the instant meeting and meeting will be started. You can use microphone or camera either, or you can use only microphone or only can use camera. Now here you can see this continue without microphone and camera. You can also continue without microphone and camera if you wish to. Here you can see this enter code or link. Here you can just simply tap onto the link, like enter code or link, and then that's it. You can join a meeting. Okay, now let's click the gear icon here. Let's tap onto it, and from there you can choose use microphone and camera or not, and also you can continue with microphone, without microphone and camera. Now here you can see wait, let's tap on to use camera and microphone. Let me off my camera. Now let's say you can use other ways to join, like you can use companion mode right here on the Google Meet. As you can see, we are on the meeting. Also, now let me show you how we can use this. Here you can, at the bottom right corner, you can see this option which is for we can chat with everyone. You can just send a text right here and you can talk with the people who have already joined the meeting. Okay, now as I am the admin of this meeting, I can comment text if I wish to, like this. Okay, just tap onto this site like pin icon and then you can pin comment, and if you want to unpin it again, then simply tap onto unpin, and there you go, you have unpinned your comment. And now let's say you want to add captions for your meeting. Just simply tap onto it and then captions will be automatically generated. Now from here you can choose your video settings. As I am using OBS, so it's just showing right here, but I don't have my webcam right now, that's why it is not showing my interface. Okay, now let's say you want to share your screen on the Google Meet meeting. Here you can see this upward arrow icon, which is basically for the your presentations. You just have to tap onto it. Let me show you again. this one here, you can see this, tap onto it, and from there you can choose your Chrome tab or Google Meet tab. Also you can choose your window like Chrome or just only OBS. Also you can choose your entire screen, which will show everything appeared on your screen like PC screen. And the Chrome tab is that this is only for the one tab on them. Like if you wish to choose only one tab like this Google tab and then tap share, you will just share in your this side. Okay, for example, let me show you this one. Okay, and as you can see right here, no other tabs are being shown right here. Let me show you again. As you can see, this is another site, it is not showing here. So now let me show you how you can record whole tab. First of all, let me take the image here. Okay, tab here. Now let's turn off the presenting. Also you can just tap on to present something else, and from there you can choose it. Okay, as you can see all this. And if you want to choose your window like your entire Google, then just tap onto Chrome. You can simply tap onto Chrome, and only Chrome will be visible to your audio. Okay, as you can see this. So this is how you can do it. Also if you want to choose to share a whole screen, then just simply tap onto entire screen, and then you have to tap onto share. Okay, then your entire screen will be shown. Now let's say that you want to you just have to choose one tab, and let's say you don't want to share your audio, you just want to show the visuals. Then here you can see this option that's also share the tab audio. You can just simply turn it off and then tap share. Then no audio will be shared from your microphone. Okay, and here you can see this 3 dot options, which is moreoptions.com settings. Here you can choose to share your full screen like this. Also you can choose to exit full screen. Now let's tap onto it again. You can add background and effects if you wish to from here. These are basically the background of here. Okay, you can also add them while you have a webcam, and you can change your background. Very simple. And here you can see this hand up option. This is basically for that something like present option. Okay, and here you can see the emojis. You can use emojis like that. Here you can see the emojis are appearing here, which I clicked right now. Okay, so this is how you can use googlemeet.com, and from the settings option you can get some audio settings. You can customize them, your audio, video, your general, and captions, also reactions if you wish to. Okay, as you can see all of this. So that was it for today, and if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you in the next video.